Heavy traffic continuing northbound 275 off the Howard Franklin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy. Oh, about time you got here. Now this is how you celebrate a birthday. What's the matter, Raina? You don't remember me?
No.
What about now? You can't remember your own husband? How do I look?
But you're supposed to be dead. I watched you die.
Of course you did. You killed me. The cops are gonna be here any minute now. Hope you enjoyed killing another husband. I'm taking my daughter back.
You know she's coming, don't you?
Of course. She'll want to do the same thing as me and come see her daughter. Isn't that right, Princess?
You're not my father. You're just a sick piece of shit.
Niles, tie her up in the corner. Put a piece of tape over her mouth.
Sir? Sure you want to do that?
The book says to put her in a timeout if she gets disrespectful.
Let's go, sweetheart.
Attention all officers. There has been an escape of a highly dangerous individual. Raina Kane, also known as the superhero Rain, Caucasian female, blonde in her mid-30s, extremely dangerous. Keep a lookout for this individual and proceed with caution.
Unit 47, outside main residence. I'm gonna inspect the situation. Send back up.
Give it up, you murderer! I'm innocent! Give yourself up. Let the law decide. Hunter Vlad has my daughter, and I will get my daughter back!
Right. Got it. Well, it seems one of our friends at the police station says one of their own had a run-in with your wife.
Well, did she say anything about me?
Actually, she did.
Of course she did.
Boss, you sure you know what you're doing here?
I said not to question me. Let her lead the breadcrumbs my way.
Breadcrumbs? You mean your daughter?
Go get her. Need you boys to be ready. She'll be here soon. Do that again, and you're grounded!
God damn it! Let me ask you a question. What the hell were you thinking? You know better. You're supposed to wait for backup. You think those reports out there of her being extremely dangerous is out there for fun? I don't have your fucking badge for this.
So she said something about Hunter Vlad having her
Hunter
daughter.
Vlad? Hunter Vlad is dead. That case is closed. Fell off a goddamn roof.
Sir, she said
Hunter Vlad is dead. Now get the fuck out of my office.
Sir.
Now!
With all due respect, fuck you, sir.
Fuck you too.
fun, right?
Rochelle's dead.
Yeah, me too. More popcorn? Say hi, Mom. Don't be rude, boys. Go greet her at the door.
Oh, about time you got here. We were getting worried that you were going to leave us. Start a new family again. But who could blame you?
Let go of my daughter.
Our daughter? I'm still her father, even if her mother tried killing me.
You know that's what you deserve for killing those people.
It's called collateral damage, honey.
We were the city's defenders. We saved the innocent, not killed them.
Nobody is innocent. Not those people from that night. And neither was your weak husband.
Garrett was innocent.
I must admit, killing him was too fun. You were there. You saw how much fun we had. But let's just forget about all that. Just start over. Continue the family you ruined. Come on. You know we made a great team.
Let go of my daughter.
Freeze! I heard the whole thing. Hunter Vlad, you're under arrest for the murder of Garrett Kane.
Sorry, officer. I can't let you ruin the honey.
Keep it up, Hunter.
Nobody has to die tonight.
That kind of ruins my plans.
Come on, Hunter, it's over.
Raina, go get your daughter and get out of here.
Take me downtown. Just know this. I'll be walking free by morning. Come on, officer. Let's go. Arrest me.